welcome back to the channel, guys. First, happy New Year's to all of you guys. Right, hope you take that big leap in 2021 with positivity. No negative on your mind. Leave 2020 behind. We are moving forward. So right now, I have a new bill for you guys. Right. Checking out the car. Most of the damage is on the passenger side. The back wheel, the knuckle have to change. The two doors have to change. The fender have to change. Most of the damage is on the front. The subframe is bent. The frame is bent. We have to send the car to the frame shop to get the frame straightened out and sorted out. No big deal. Just taking a look around. Take a look inside. Airbag fly. This is a body jack. We try to pull out the front a little bit. Everything is looking good on this side. But on this side, need some body work right here. That's nothing. I'm gonna change the doors. Both doors, fenders, the hood. Need some framework. I'm not gonna do that. It's gonna go to the frame shop. We're gonna change the timing cover right here where the alternator bolts in. It's broken. Now we're just gonna change all of this. The intake pipe is broken. It's just plastic, but I think we're going to go aftermarket one with this. The 5.7 V8. This is a monster right here. This is a beast. So right now we're gonna assess the car, see what more it needs. Right? The back wheel is bent out. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. But we're gonna jack up the car, start to assess it. So let's get started. Well, just by jacking up the car, the subframe is twist. You can see right there. And it's bend in right there. So we have to change the subframe. Looking under. Right here is bend back. Steering rack looks okay. Gonna take a deep look under the car. I'm seeing no damages so far underneath the car. No leaks, no oil leaks. I'm gonna take off this wheel shortly to see the damage. On this side is good. This wheel look good also. Okay. Well, the wheel is okay, just a little scratch right here on the inside and out. Right now, checking everything out. The knuckle is broken, we have to replace that. I've seen no other damages in this rear suspension. No bends or nothing, just a knuckle to be replaced. Are some of the cars I'm going to work on. I'm just checking this out now. 350Z. I have this aftermarket bumper. I have to try to make this work on the car. And I have this old school Mustang. I need to change the transmission in this. The transmission send out to be rebuilt. So after it comes back, you will definitely see me installing the transmission in this to get this running. So guys, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. Just trying to get a parts list and what we want to start to work on the car. So we start order some of the parts already and some of the parts already here. So in the next video, we'll just continue where we left off. So until next time, peace.